Hey man, it's Allen with CK1, man. Boy, I tell you, boy, I got something good for y'all today, boy. Look at this concrete, man. Look how dirty it is. I know y'all love seeing the before and afters, and I know y'all love seeing that doodle come up off that concrete. So you know what we finna do? We finna get it clean. Finna get that thing clean. I'm telling you, look, on something crazy, like, this is a big deal. This transformation, it finna be wicked on my mama. I promise you, this jump finna be wicked. So y'all stick with me, watch this video, and we finna go crazy on the concrete. Screw up the ground. Screw up the ground. We finna screw up the ground. I'm telling you. Watch now. We doing a house wash, concrete cleaning, and we cleaning they back deck. Soft washing they back deck. Doing a soft wash system on the house. Now let's get it. Video now. No, you on video now. Hey, you on his no, Is that enough? Oh!
Guys, we're all finished. Nah, for real, stop playing, man. Y'all play too much. I told y'all stop playing with me like that. But look, man, we got it all cleaned up. You see in the video before, if you want to, you can go back to the very beginning and just look at how dirty it was, then skip back to here. Look at that. What I told y'all. What did I tell y'all? Because some of y'all think I can't talk, but I can really talk. I can talk proper if I need to. If you want me to, then I could talk like this. I mean, so what we did today was, we did a house wash, and we also did a concrete cleaning, and we did a soft wash on their backwood deck. Okay? Do you understand that? You got me? Okay. So we did that. Then we rinsed it all down. Rinsed all the dirt down. And now, as you can see some spots up there are dry, and they're like a white color. They're very light, how the concrete is supposed to look at the end. We pretty much.
If y'all made it this far in the video, I might as well go ahead and subscribe and like the video and comment whatever you want to comment.
Driveway. We also did the front sidewalk. We also did the whole home.
How do you like that? Yeah? You like that? Do you like it or not? Okay? All right, so, but no, I'm not trying to talk like that. I'm trying to be in my character, you get what I'm saying? We play around, because y'all play too much. I got to play because y'all be playing. But anyways, I'm about to walk this house with y'all. I'm about to show y'all what we did. Let's get to it. It's drying up still. So we going up here. You can see, that's what it's going to look like when it dries up. Y'all seen before it was a whole bunch of black streaks, a whole bunch of dookie marks, but we got them all up now. Look, it's gonna look like that. It's gonna look something like that right there. But I can't wait because we got many jobs to do today, so I can't play with y'all too much. Y'all be playing too much and I be trying to entertain y'all, but I can't do all that. And then we got this right here, still drying up. So there y'all go, man. That'll do. That's the end of the video, man. Y'all shut y'all mouth, stop playing. Y'all play too much.